Good morning, sir. Good morning, madam. I am Beverly N. Arquiliano, 36 years old, married, and a college graduate. I would like to work in Hong Kong because I want to earn for a living to give my family a better future. And I know Hong Kong is highly compensated, a safe and a nice place.
Okay, Miss Arceliano, I have some questions for you to be answered. When employer gets angry to your mistake and shout to you, what will you do?
I will easily accept my mistake and apologize and promise not to do it again.
Okay. If baby cries at midnight, what will you do?
If the baby cries at midnight, I will check the diaper. If it is full, I will change it. Second, I will check if the baby is hungry. I will prepare his or her milk. And thirdly, if the baby doesn't stop crying, I will check his body temperature. Maybe the baby is feeling unwell.
Okay. How you assist the children in crossing the street?
Assisting children in crossing the street is very important. I will hold their hands, check the traffic light, check the left and the right. If there's no car coming, that's the time we will cross the pedestrian lane.
Okay. What will you do with the clothes before washing?
Before washing the clothes, I will check the packet. If things are left, I will return it to my employer. Then second, I will segregate the light and the dark to avoid discoloration.
Okay. If you find some money or jewelry in your employer's clothes or in their room, what will you do?
If I find money or something jewelry inside the room of my employer, I will immediately return it to them because I know stealing is not good.
Okay. Can you give employer's phone number to your friends and relatives? Why?
I shouldn't give any information about my employer's number or anything about them because I know it is confidential and it could be a breach of trust.
Okay. If any serious matter happened to your family, will you go home?
No, I will not go home. Instead, I will send money for assistance for my family.
Okay. Miss Arceliano, will you agree to renew another contract if employer requests you?
Yes, I'm willing to renew my contract with them and it's my pleasure. It's an implication that they like me.
Okay, Miss Arceliano, what is your promise to your future employer if they will choose you to be their helper?
Sir, Madam, if you will choose me to be your helper, I would promise that I would be a good, efficient servant. I would be a big help to your family and to your children. I would promise to love your family and children as my own. Thank you, sir, madam, and have a nice day.